Hey, I'm Matt. Today I want to share with you 10 Lowe shopping secrets they may not want you to know. Let's go. Number one on the list is price tags. Price tags tell a big story in most every store, and if you know how to decode them, you'll be further ahead than everybody else that's shopping. Let me tell you. So you know when you see a yellow tag, that means it's on clearance. But did you know that Lowe's actually has two different types of clearance? Number one, if you see on the price tag it says new lower price like you see here, that means that item is on a temporary markdown. In other words, it could go back up at any time or it could go lower. If you see new lower price and there's a bunch of those items in stock, then typically what that means is it's gonna go lower. You should probably wait. If you see new lower price and it's getting close to a holiday like Christmas or Memorial Day, 4th of July, Frostgiving, Frost Hog Day, those type things, then it's likely that it's going to be reduced the closer it gets to those days. I was kidding on the Frost Hog Day. The second type of clearance price tag will actually say clearance on the tag. If you see clearance, that's when you buy, because that item is actually on clearance. It's going to be going away. If you don't buy it, you may miss that deal. The number two secret is you can save a lot of money if you're buying in bulk. In other words, you got a big project coming up, you need to buy several different types of supplies. Let me tell you, you can save 10 to 30% buying in bulk. They actually have a buy in bulk portion on their website, and in store you'll see a price tag that says buy in bulk. But on the website, if you go to the buy in bulk and you click through to the building supplies, you can see if you were needed plywood in bulk, or even insulation for insulating a garage, or if you wanted to do new landscaping, they got pavers. There's tons of things you can actually save a lot of money on buying in bulk. Here's a secret for you. If you go to 731woodworks.com/store and use the code SECRET, I'll give you 25% off any order. That's pretty good because we got some really great bill plans there, easy to follow to help you make awesome projects. We also have Outlaw's board butter. Man, this stuff's so good it should be outlawed. Go check it out, get 25% off, use the code SECRET. The number three secret is finding tool deals. Actually, Lowe's has a daily deals website, or a page on their website that's a daily deal. You can go there and look through, you can find all sorts of things, and they also usually have a tool on there at some point. Like this Black & Decker 59-piece set, you can save 30 bucks on it today. It's not gonna be active when you see this video, but there may be a new deal that you may be interested in. And if you're just interested in tool deals, if you'll look at the top of their web page, there's a word that says savings, you can click on that. And then from there, you scroll down and you'll see tools. Click that. That's where all of their current tool deals are going to be located on their website. You can find some amazing deals on there if you just take the time to look. Check it daily, every morning with your coffee. That's what I do. And then you'll be able to find some really cool deals. If that's too much trouble for you, if you go to 731woodworks.com, you'll see a tool deals on there. Click that. I post tool deals there almost daily. When I find the great ones, that's where they go. That way you can find them. You can go to one-stop shop there. Number four on the list, a lot of people don't know about this, so we're gonna keep this between us, all right? If you go to the Lowe's Pro Desk, so in other words, on the opposite end of the store, typically, on mine anywhere, is where the Pro Desk is. If you go there and you've got a really big project coming up where you're gonna be spending more than $1,500, the Pro Desk employee can give you volume discounts. I've heard of people getting up to 20 and 30% off their order, and when you're spending more than $1,500, $2,000, $2,500 on a really big project, you're remodeling some part of your home or something, this is where you're gonna save some really big money. Number five secret is not really a secret, but you need to know about it. Lowe's has a military discount, but there are restrictions to it. First thing you need to do is get signed up on ID.me. It's 10% off everyday prices, so sale items don't count. But the one thing Lowe's does have that I noticed Home Depot has a limit on their military discount annually. Lowe's does not. It only applies to full price items, sale items, clearance items, things like that aren't going to apply. Check their website for exact details. Number six secret is the Lowe's credit card. The Lowe's Advantage credit card, if you use it on everyday purchases at Lowe's, you get 5% off. When you sign up, they give you a 20% discount, but it's got some weird restrictions on it. It's not really that great of a deal, to be honest, in my opinion. But the 5% is really nice, especially here recently, my wife and I have had to buy a dishwasher, a microwave, several other things that just all go out at the same time for whatever reason. the 5% was nice. You can also use the Lowe's Advantage credit card and get long-term pricing, and it'll fix the APR at a low percentage rate. This is a much better deal than trying to finance at 26 or 30% interest. Just check that part out too if you've got a long-term project coming up. Number 7 secret, the Lowe's Price Match Promise. What does that mean? It means they will price match any ad or online sale if you can show them and it's in stock. You can get a good deal. But what's crazy is not only do they price match Home Depot, but they also price match Wayfair, which a lot of stuff's on Wayfair, Amazon. The world is sold through Amazon basically. Walmart, Target, Home Depot, Best Buy, Macy's, Ace Hardware, Bed Bath & Beyond, Tractor Supply, and JCPenney.com. All of those, you can price match anything, anywhere to Lowe's. They'll give you the exact same price if it's on sale there. Of course, there are some restrictions, as you see here, that you'll have to kind of abide by their rules, but there's a lot of ways to save some money there if you shop around. Secret number 8 is Lowe's has a loyalty program. This started just a year or two ago, I think. It's called the MVP Pro Rewards Program. What that gets you, if you're a business, this is where it can help you out. It earns back when you spend with them. They have exclusive offers through this program for your type of stuff you're buying. And then they also give you points and things like that that you can redeem. You'll also get that cool Pro ID where you can park in that exclusive parking spot on the lumber side. Number 9 is where you can save some serious cash. This is, if you don't know about this and you build projects a lot or you're doing a lot of side work or home renovations, this is gonna save you the green. If you've bought paint, you know how expensive it can be, especially a good quality paint. There's a return section or a mistinted section at Lowe's. Go ask the paint desk and they'll tell you where it's at. And you can save 70% off their paints. You just kind of have to pick what's there. But if you peruse that every time you go in the store, check that paint section, 70% off paints. Number 10, Lowe's secret. I need this confirmed because, all right, so here's the deal. Lowe's has build and grow DIY projects for kids. And as woodworkers, we should want to raise up the next generation of craftsmen and try to encourage that if we can. So if you've got younger kids, I've heard, and I know they sell them on their website, but you can also sign up for build and grow workshops in stores. They have them every so often. I'll put it on the screen here so you can see that. And then also, I've heard if you go up to the customer service desk, especially if you got cute little Johnny or little Jane with you and say, ask for one of the free project kits, they'll give you a free one. And then you can go take that home and build a cool project with your kids. How awesome is that? You know, that's something you'll never forget. That's building memories and projects at the same time. If you like those 10 secrets, you'll love the Home Depot secrets. Click that box right there. Clicking that box gets you the big old virtual fist pump. Or if you're an Amazon shopper, I got 10 secrets right there for Amazon. Go check those out.